Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. So first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. We are back today with another shoe review and unboxing. Unfortunately, your boy still got his mask on. It's pretty tough right now. I'm trying to get my dentist thing done, and hopefully, you know, we'll be back in tune regular in like a week or two. But if not, y'all just gonna have to deal with the mask. Going into today's video, we have the Nike Stussy Air Force Ones. This pair came out, I think, about 3 weeks ago. And I have the OG cream pair. I wasn't able to get my hands on this pair through Stussy online or anything like that. I think Bosch just ate them up. But big shout outs to my man, Immaculate Outlaw Eli. Y'all gonna see him in upcoming videos. And big shout out to my man 300 Clay, man. He's an up and coming artist, huge right now actually in Hawaii, New York. So if you guys are into that type of music, check him out. Link will be in the bio. And yeah, man, Eli was able to secure a pair in Hawaii for me, which is pretty crazy. And then Clay brought it back to New York for me. So big shout out to my two bros. They really held it down so I could get my hands on this pair. Unfortunately, I'm bringing it like kind of late. Like, I got my hands on them like a week and a half ago, and I wasn't able to bring a review because I was going through it with my tooth. But anyways, we are back, and as you guys can see, it is a size 8. It is Nike Air Force One low / Stussy. The colorway is the Fossil colorway. And yeah, man, without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. So if you guys didn't check out my previous Stussy Nike Fossil colorway, it was the Spiridons. Y'all can go check that out. Link will be up there. And yeah, I got my hands on that pair too. So let's jump into the box. So the first thing about the box is the Nike swoosh on top. It's not the orange box, but it has this cream colorway, and then the Stussy on the sides, and yeah, it's a pretty cool box. Got a little messed up through travel and stuff, but overall pretty cool. And then it says this box is made from recycled material. So if you guys could see, bang. And yeah, let's take a look at the shoe, man. All right, so first thing you notice when you open up the thing is the paper. It comes with this design. I don't personally know what that is, but hey, it has a special paper. So let's just open that. Just open that, and then it also has the regular Nike paper on the bottom. So flipping it open, we have the shoes right here, man. We have the shoes right here, as you guys can see. Let's take it out. So this shoe right here is just a regular Air Force One in a Fossil colorway, and the material on the upper is different. It's kind of like a canvas material. So yeah, there you guys have it. And we're gonna jump into a quick little B-roll to give you guys the detailed looks and come back and break down the shoe. So coming back from the B-roll, you guys could just already tell it is a classic Air Force One model, but the material is very different. The thing that is consistent is the midsole and outsole. It's still that heavy like rubber, but it is in a Fossil colorway. This color right here is very special. So the whole shoe is a Fossil, as they would say, colorway. It's kind of like creamish, but a little bit darker. And the entire upper is like this canvas knitted material. The camera will pick it up. You guys saw in the B-roll. And a special detail that they have is on the toe box. It has the Stussy logo right there, knitted in. That picks up. Boom. The laces is pretty cool. It's like a yarn-like material, and it's very, very well knitted together. Same thing with the swoosh. The swoosh is a knit. It has the 2 knit design right here on the Nike swoosh, and then the back has the knit as well with the Stussy logo in a, what is that, like a metal diamond looking thing. So it's VVS'd out, but there's no diamonds. You know what I'm saying? There's no diamonds. You feel me? There's no diamonds. Now, going into the comfortability and sizing of the Stussy Air Force One, it's not much different from the leather white on white Air Force Ones, to be honest with you. So I would suggest going down half a size on all Air Force Ones because they just fit so freaking big. And yeah, man, just go down half a size. And then now with the tongue on the inside, it's leather. Same thing with the ankle lining, it's leather. So that's a pretty premium touch, you could say. And yeah, as for comfort, not really comfortable. It's just Air Force Ones. If you guys ever owned a pair of Air Force Ones before, you guys know it's kind of like a bulky, clunky shoe, and it's not really that comfortable, but does the job. A little bit more lightweight than a leather pair, but anyway, it's still an Air Force One at the end of the day. Oh, and I forgot, another detail that the shoe has is the Stussy logo on the tongue. It has Stussy and then all the cities that I guess they have stores in. Now, this shoe personally I'm not keeping for myself, but I will bring you guys an on feet because I am 8.5, 9, and this shoe is 8 and they fit pretty big. So let's tune into that, give you guys an on foot, come back, and let's wrap it up with my resale predictions and my final opinions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below how you guys feel about the shoe, man. Now, as for resale, this Fossil pair is actually doing really well on the market right now. It is going for like $330-ish, and shout out to my man Brent. He's telling me to hold it, and Brent is the big reseller, man. So if anything, I'll suggest following my boy Brent's info. His thing is Wolf, if you guys are in the sneaker community. And yeah, so I will be holding on to these. I think these will probably go up to like 400, especially this colorway. Just like the Spiridons, they went up to like 500, which is really crazy. Like, nobody thought like Spiridon Nike Stussies will go up to like 500, but they did. So I believe the same thing will happen with these. I think these will go up to like 400 or 500. I might sell them to Ramon though. He's been on my ass about these, and I might just give it to him for like 330. Who cares? Not in a rush for money though, so I could care less. And to wrap things up with my final opinion, they're a cool looking sneaker. Nothing I'll add to my personal collection. One pair of Air Force Ones I am looking for is the Kith Knicks Air Force Ones, and I'm pretty sure I'll be copying those in the near future, just for like the summer. Like, I need a new pair of Air Force Ones. My Rockefellers are getting fried, so I do need a new pair of Air Force Ones, so I'm gonna cop those. And those kind of remind me of the Taiwan, so I'm gonna cop those instead of the Taiwans. And yeah, that's gonna be my Air Force One for the year. And that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on the video, comment down below your opinions and what you guys want to see going forward. And it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and I'm out.